So in under 1 minute, I'm gonna show you how you can link social icons. So how you can direct people if they click on your Facebook, they're gonna be directed to your Facebook, right? So first, don't forget to add from here social icons. I'm gonna click this one. I'm gonna work with this one. So they're already customized, already designed, and change the layout. Here, we just need to click on, when you click on an element, you drag element, just click on the element, and you're gonna see here edit social icons. Click on that, please. And now from here, you can add a new element, maybe your YouTube channel. Just paste the link and the icon is going to be added automatically. And now when people click on your link, they're going to be directed to the link you added. So I hope you found this short video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe for more, like this video, and if you have more suggestions for the next Hostinger tutorial, let me know in the comments section. So thanks for watching and take care.